I'm Manuel Miranda, and I want to talk to you about integration of technologies in my classroom. There's a couple things that we have discussed in our training and development department over at Tesco Corporation of what we want to do with adding some technology to our courses. There's a lot of things that are out there, but they have to be specific for what oil field technicians can use and to help them develop their needs or to overcome their needs. One of the things that we have thought of was using Automation Studio. Automation Studio is a technology-based program that allows the generation of schematics, hydraulic, electrical, pneumatics, and allows us to animate those schematics as you process through the different steps of a system. For our top drive, which can be electrically driven, can be pneumatically driven, or hydraulically driven, we can actually create the schematics for each of those different models and actually apply them for the technicians to use as part of their troubleshooting and their learning. Those schematics can be animated. We can cross-reference the schematics, show the electrical portion as it energizes and go through the process, as well as the hydraulic portion that gets energized by the electronics. Another system that we're planning to use is Ngrain. Ngrain allows for the 3D breakdown of components, and where you can actually take a piece of equipment, dismantle it in 3D form, and the technicians can actually grab it and put it back together. We can actually make a process for it where they have to follow the particular steps to put it together. If they try to go out of order, this program can actually stop them from doing that. The third one that we like to use is IntelliSchematics. IntelliSchematics is a program that allows us to run electrical schematics, run them live, show parameters, and actually allow the technician to troubleshoot by inserting faults into the schematic. It allows them to sit there and figure out what steps they need to follow based on their knowledge of the system and their troubleshooting techniques to be able to find a fault. It will actually guide them through, showing different parameters, what a voltage would read here, what current would read there, what light should have come on, why didn't this light come on, and help them troubleshoot through all the steps. Those are the three technologies that we're intending to use right now. It is in deep discussion. Automation Studio appears to be the first one that we would definitely integrate. It is a program that is easy to learn because you're basically building the schematics from ground zero. Ngrain, a little more difficult, will require a lot more graphic design experience, but with the right personnel running that and learning how to use that system would be very beneficial. IntelliSchematics as well. Nothing very difficult. You can actually build learning platforms from it and be able to establish some online content with that. So those are the three technologies we're planning to integrate, and I am looking forward to all of the ideas that my classmates have as well, as far as integrating technology into the classroom.